Pentecostal hairstyles for the Updo Challenged. So I'm going to put some hair protect in it. Got my Function of Beauty serum oil. It's a really light oil, basically. Go into a ponytail. And you want to be pretty high up, like right up here at the top of your crown. So you see where I got that? And you're going to create a ponytail. Now my hair is not, I'm going to go 3 times. Okay, there's 1, 2, and then the 3rd time, you just pull it up with your thumb and you're not going to go all the way through. So you're just going to fan that out. Now, I've done this hairstyle before, so you want to fan it to where it reaches your hairstyle and go all the way around. And you could do that too, and then just pin it. But I saw my friend, she went around and kind of went over the top of it. And then that left some, it just made it more, oh, mine's gonna look like a bow, which is in itself something different. Okay, that's what it's gonna be. It's gonna be a bow. And then I'm using my spin pins to secure it. I was gonna leave some of that curl hanging down, but now that I realize by the time I went over the top of my fountain, so the important thing to know is when you're trying to emulate somebody else's hairstyle that you've seen them try, your hair may do different, but at least you had the inspiration from looking at their hairstyle. So that's kind of cute. If I would have made this part even tighter, I could have made this more into a pronounced bow, but I kind of like what it's doing right there. So you just gotta roll with it. I don't like how my hair right there is kind of, you know, it's not slick enough for me. So I'm gonna keep working with that. And I probably would have done the front different if I wasn't gonna. Okay, so then I have a couple of options. I could either do this one or this one. So I gotta play with it. We don't know yet. Okay, one. And I could just kind of just clip it in and then spread that out a little. Pull that down and call it a day. You can work with it some more. So the point being is you get inspired by other people on Pentecostal hairstyles for the Updo Challenge. Then you work with your own hair and you see how it turns out. Make it your own. Have a blessed day.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like.